I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Banarsidass University. Today we are discussing in the unit of team building, leadership and counseling and practical. Today we are deal with the leadership qualities, basic skills and skills of leadership. Skills of leader. Skills of leader. Basically there are two types of एक तो बेसिक स्किल्स एंड एडवांस स्किल्स. लीडर और द टीम लीडर, both things are more or less is the same thing was there. So, and even in certain institutions we can use an effective leader. Effective leader. So, we have been already discussed various things regarding the skills of the leader. I am just combining the things as to be like the leader has own personality, past experience and their expectations. Let's see. The expectations and behavior of his superiors lead the leadership qualities and the skills. Then subordinates characteristics, expectations and behavior yield the qualities of an effective leaders. Organization culture, climate, policies is also designing the leadership skills. Now, so we have to start with the basic, then we have to go for the advanced was there. Like basic qualities of an effective leader, if you have to come to. Number one, mental and physical health. Mental and physical health. एज पर द मेडिकल साइंसेस आदमी की डेथ दो ही तरीके से हो सकती है, या तो वो मेंटली डेथ हो जाए, मेंटल ऑफ, या उसका हार्ट बंद हो जाए. सेम थिंग इन द लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज वाज देयर. द बेसिक स्किल्स, लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज, लीडरशिप नेचर, लीडरशिप द सो द एज ए लीडर you should be mentally and physically fit to understand the followers in the specific conditions and situations, and you can lead and handle the condition and situation of the followers. Then you can become a good leadership. This is the basic qualities to be there. Second, empathy. We have certain things we have already discussed in the leadership, unit 1 was there. So empathy must have all the capacity to appreciate others and look at things from his subordinates. Self-confidence, you know this type of things. Self-confidence, 2, 3, these are the things. Fourth, awareness of others' opinion about himself. Awareness of others' opinions from himself. What they understand the things is to be, a leader should self-confidence, we can say, and should not ignore how others perceive as a leader was there. Then objectivity, this is the main things is to be objectivity. This is the 5, I think. What else? Objectivity, a leader who is effective does not get carried away by emotions. Is his fairs and objectivity. Knowledge and intelligence is the prime consideration toward the basic skills and the leadership qualities was there. Then decisiveness. Decisions is a basic decision making process was there, in which you have to decide how early you can take the decision was there. Then you can say ability to communicate, then sense of purpose. Besides this, there are some other qualities also of the basic leadership qualities. What is that? Because these are the general things which we have discussed just now, 4 or 5, like decisiveness, ability to communicate, knowledge and intelligence, objectivity, and awareness of others' opinions. We can say self-confidence, empathy, mental and physical health. This type of, we have already discussed this type of things in my previous discussions also and today's discussions also. Besides this, now we have to pinpoint certain things which to be leaded by a team leader, group or organizational leaders. The one thing, first is, the one is communication. A leader has to communicate well to exchange ideas, concepts, opinions, thoughts knowledge, emotions, everything. So he should have clear-cut objectivity of that. Otherwise, he cannot control the people, controlling in the sense of to develop followers, because without not a single leader can be acceptable if he has not a followers to be. So the main thing, communication. He is a very effective communication. We can say down the word of professional communication, where value of feedback should be there. These are the basic primary things. So for the effective communication, you should have a clear, in the management term, you have coding or decoding. Coding and decoding. हम जो बताना चाहते हैं उसको उस लैंग्वेज में बताइए कि दूसरा उसको समझ ले, प्लस जो वीडियो और ट्रांजिशन है जैसे उसको बताना है, रिटन, वर्बल, साइन लैंग्वेज, व्हाटएवर, उस तक वो इंफॉर्मेशन पहुंच जाए. देन ही कैन क्लियरली अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू वांट टू से और व्हाट यू वांट टू टेल. Then only he can decode the things and the value of understanding will be come down. So communication should be like that. Then second thing, that is listening. This is a prime consideration to be there. Listening. At least you should have time to understand. In the day-to-day practices, if we have to meet, if I need a doctor and we reach the doctor's clinic and the doctors just ask what happened and we tell whatever the stories to be there to the doctor, definitely our half of the disease is cured because he listened properly. But if we reach the doctors, a lot of crowd is to be there, he just ask, okay, what is the name? Okay, what's the disease? Take the one. Then we think of we are cheated like that. So listening is the capacity in that is to be there. So how we have to tend down, because for the listening there is certain commandant is to be there. हम लोग भी किसी से बात करते हैं तो वो हम पे सुन रहा है कि नहीं, हम लोग कैसे करते हैं, हाँ, hello, like that. This type of sign languages we have to use it for the listening purpose. Here, for the leader, you should have certain languages which you have to show down to the others by which they can clearly understand that you are listening their problems and you are ready to give them the decisions to be there. Like attending and then reflecting whatever you are understanding, it should be reflected in that way is to be there. Then interpreting, then synthesizing, then verifying synonyms is to be there. Then we have to take up the being quiet during whatever he is telling. I just will be quiet and very properly listening is to be there. Then we can say down. So these are the things which is the prime consideration, because later on in the business organizational behavior, there's some papers is to be there where you will get down a lot of things in the terms of the listening. Here we are listening in a very professional manner by which the other can be confident that whatever he told to me, whatever he is telling to me, I will be really appreciated in that way. So listening in that way is to be there. Then assertiveness. Third thing. These are the basic. Assertiveness is basically boldness. We have to take the boldness to be there and dominant determination of there, because for the dealer you should take some type of decision in that way. Otherwise, as a leader, your quality will be decreased and you cannot do anything that will be there. Then in assertive communications, a lot of things can be carried out that later on we will discuss, because assertiveness is basically a positive and constructive way of relating to others people, because we have to want right each and everything. Then assertiveness should be there in life. So everyone should be clear in that. Then technical competencies. Technical in the terms of, if you have to take any type of project was there, like there is a technical base, so you should be clearly understand what the basic requirement is to be there. You should have a basic knowledge. You have to do the basic and the technical knowledge is to be there. In the healthcare industry, if the leader is not in the healthcare industry, definitely is a very problem to be there. So you should know each and everything about that particular project and everything. Then setting goals. For the leader, setting goals. These are, we have already discussed this thing, but the basic skill, basic knowledge, basic desire is to be like that. So setting goals for the self, team members, a leader should be demonstrated accordingly. Because if we tell this type of sales should be come out, then how? Now you have to give them this type of standard by which they can achieve very proper form, and they feel not in any type of problems to be there. Because ultimate, unless setting a specific objective, because this is a technical competency, then the setting goals is directly related to the communication and the listening. Ultimately, if you have not listened down the particular form, you cannot be doing good things. Then problem. So in this, whatever the target you have to give down, this thing can be carried out. These are basically the basic rules is to be there. Now we have to come down the advanced rule. Advanced. This is a basic skill, and now we have to come down the advanced skills. Advanced is nothing is to be there, but something can be advanced skills or advanced knowledge, whatever the leadership qualities is to be there. So in the advanced skills of the leader, team leader, what do you think? क्या होना चाहिए? We have already discussed about the communication part, right? Listening part. So what else is to be there? I think maximum thing we have already discussed. But we have to come down certain things after the churning of that. The first one is time management. Time management. Right time, right thing should be carried out. How the right management, time management can be carried out? So simply, if you have to get down, classify the activity based on urgency. We have to do the same thing is to be there everywhere, whatever the process to be there. So पहले हम उसको लेते हैं जो सबसे जल्दी करना होता है, सबसे पहले काम करना होता है. Then after we have to carry on the second round. Then prepare a matrix, place of the activities in that scenario. So first priority, then place the matrix. We have to go, our work will go down in that ways to be there. Then we have to give down the certain categories. This, in which we have to take up the first was there. Then we have to take this or this, because every work cannot be carried out by the single person. So what we have to do? We can give some responsibility to some other subordinate colleagues, whatever, and then we take up certain responsibilities and the affiliates to be there. Then delegation, then detail staff, then observe the systems to be there. So for the advanced leadership skills, advanced leadership characteristics, these are the first one is to be the time management. Without proper time management, you cannot success in any type of field, particular in the leadership behavior. If you have given a time to anyone, definitely you should reach there on time, or even before time you can get down the things to be. Because ultimate, unless proper thinking should be carried out only by the way of the time management. I have listened a word of the Tata ji, ये अभी रतन टाटा सर का, I just listened to it. उन्होंने कहा कि if the person working in 9 to 5 and he has later on he is to stay in the office and do that, मुझे काम अभी करना है because मेरा काम खत्म नहीं हुआ है, then he is telling he is misutilization his time is to be there. The work should be finished down in between 9 to 5. जो काम 9 से 5 में अगर नहीं खत्म हो सकता तो वो आप खत्म नहीं कर सकते. You can just show down कि काम work is due to the work you are learning, because you are not utilizing the time is to be there. The first thing is time management. This is the advanced thing. Second, the basic delegation. Delegation, because 4 or 5 points is to be there. We will discuss only the things to be. So delegation in what? We have to delegate authority. A leader can be delegated authority, or a manager can be delegated authority. Basically, for the leader, delegation is basically the transferring authority from one person to another is to be. And the purpose of delegation is like that: if I am busy, then you can look after this work, but this is the responsibility of mine, it's not yours. If anything positive or negativity will come down, definitely I am is whatever the leader is to be there, he is totally responsible of that. Because the work or the authority is to be designed, he is just delegated the authority for certain times by which his work should not be suffer, or he is busy in some other task by which the things is to be. Now the condition will be there. How much delegation is to be there? Determinants. Determinants. How? Like. So in the determinants, everything is to be there. Like organizational culture implies high degree of autonomy is to be there, by which we can just determine it. Now we can do the whole task, 50% task, 10% task, or 20% task is to be there, whatever. Then as per the need and situations, risk factors was to be. Then if the employer is totally non-supportive, definitely we have to take the whole responsibilities to be there. So in the values of determination, so now which principles we have to apply in the field of the delegation? Number first, सबसे पहले क्या डिसाइड करते हैं? बताइए. We have to decide what to delegate. The main what as a leader, because this is the leadership, advanced leadership skills, advanced leadership knowledge is to be there. So first is what to delegate. Second, who, किसे करें? In the team members, because for the leader there is a followers, and followers a lot of. So we have to judge down certain persons to whom we can delegate the authority, and then in that particular condition and crisis is to be there. Then making the assignment very clear. Assignment, whatever, it's very clear. हम तो समझ सकते हैं कोई भी, but उन्हें हम we have to give them point by point what you have to do, how you have to do, when to do, and each and everything we have to very clear forms to be there, by which in your absence they can finish down the task is to be there. Then assign an objectives. You have to finish, tell him, now you have to do this work in this prime area and you have to complete it. And also the main thing is to be that allow autonomy. You have to give the complete delegation. You have to be responsible for this task, or you have to complete this task. I am not bothered about that, how the things have been carried out. Now you have to finish this task and you are also responsible of that. Then share their views also in this. And the main thing, whatever objective is to be there, you have to assign the clear-cut idea, clear-cut fundamental values is to be there. Because the main thing, these are basically the principles, and for this you should have clarity of the idea. Clarity of the idea. This is the skill. Now, principle is this: we have to delegate authority, and you should have the clear-cut idea about what the clarity of work is to be. If the clarity is not be there, definitely you cannot do anything is to be there. Specify the range. Then establish feedback control is to be there. Later on, they will just inform to you day by day, by which you can clearly understand. So these are the two things. Is the thing. Now the third thing, managing conflict. Managing conflict. Third, these are the advanced things. I already told you these things. Conflict is a part of system, and we can say it's a wear and tear of the system. Where the human being is to be there, the conflict will be there. Where the work will be there, the conflict is to be there. So we have to, or you know the things to be, where the conflict, there will be a solution is to be. So in this conflict management, you should clearly design and each and every concept is to be there. Then only you can say, you can manage whatever the conflict is to be there, each and everything in a very well formed there. So you have to, if any conflict is to be there, because you are the leader, you have to impose now how the solution can be carried out. Then appealing the team goals, because ultimate goal, why the organization is to be there, why you are appointed, why they are appointed. You just clarify each and everything. And each and everything in a very repetitive form is to be there. Because conflict resolution form is to be there, we have to develop a team. We have to just put down, they have to tell what the problem is to be there. We sit down with both the parties. If they are conflict with us means if a leader, definitely we have to listen. This is a thing. And then we have to clarify the ideas to be there. Then, fourth, persuasiveness. Persuasiveness. What is the value of the persuasiveness? Persuasiveness refers to the conscious manipulation, mainly through the values of the face-to-face communication to include and stimulate others to help achieve a goal. So persuasiveness is to be there. We have to type down each and everything. We have to communicate each and everything by the face-to-face, by which the concept should be very, very clear. Because persuasiveness means influencing, but it differs from authority and power. The main thing. Because whatever we are discussing, it should be a logical reasoning plus legal reasoning was there, and the value of credibility should be there, because persuasiveness by the values of that, and then emotional support should be there. Otherwise you cannot control the things to be, because face to face when you have to go down and it not approach to others, to persuade is a freedom. Whatever your field is to be there, whatever our field is to be there, we have to consider only our field, you have to consider only our field. Even the delegation authority is to be there, we have to give certain delegation to you, you have to carry on accordingly. Then the main thing, in the values of the system, in the values of the authority, in the values of system, we have to look after the things by the emotional support. Then negotiation. Fourth, these are the advanced leadership skills. So negotiation implies each and power is to be there. Then negotiation attempt to partalize the things, and the main thing is, so we have to negotiate each and everything to be there. As a leader, you should be negotiating in what way? You have to do work, we have to provide this thing. And if any conflict is to be there, definitely you have to look after that conflict was there. And the main thing is to be there. In this process, in the process of negotiation, you have to take all type of positive and negative motivation factors to be there. Because then only you can control the team, you can control the process to be there. And the final point, that is problem solving. You are a leader, not for problem creator. These are final. You are the leader, not for the problem creator. You are the problem solver. So whatever the steps you have to carry out, it should be appreciated and the problem should be resolved within that time limit. Otherwise, there is no need of yours. And for this, you have to take certain things to be there, like you have to listen down, determination of the problem, then problem should be cleared on the spot, because if you are in a team group, it can be, you have certain time, but if you are the team leader, then you have to very less time, you have to decide the spot on the very less. Then this, so the groups, teams, whatever the things is to be, this type of leadership skills we should have. So in today's, we have discussed about the primary or basic leadership skills that we already discussed something earlier, and today we have discussed some other parts also. And we have looked at advanced also, basic also, this type, and latest also. In this today's world, in the today's business environment, you have to look after that leadership skills plays the vital role, and in this all types of skill we should have for developing of the organization motives.